Good morning, ma'am, and this is my website. And my website is all about the history of World War II. And this is a website that showing the history of World War II. And the leader of Nazi, and my header title is Nazi, and I use a Nazi logo, and for my navigation bar is I put a home navigation and the name of the leader of Nazi, and for my footer I write my name for owner for this website, and the source of my website is this. First is for navigation bar and the codes for settings, the color and others. Next is footer source code for my footer design and adding my name, and for the source code of my header is this for design 2, and the others are for the whole page design. That's all, ma'am, and thank you.